Turn right on Century Drive.
Yes, I'm back at Disney in the middle of a pandemic. Am I crazy? Perhaps. But I've been watching really carefully the videos of people that have come here, and it looks pretty dead, and that makes me happy. And so I'm gonna take you along and just show you what it's like. Wait, more to come, so stay tuned. I just got pixie-fied, pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! Okay, first piece of information that I found out for you. This mask is fine. The mask that I normally wear, which has this valve, these are not allowed at Disney. It has something to do with if the person doesn't have the filter in it, and then it looks like they're not even wearing a mask. I'm not even sure or understand why this is not a good mask for here, but yeah, you're not allowed to wear the ones with the valves. I did not know that, so luckily I had already pre-bought this one. I also have another one in my bag. Like I said, I have multiples, so I will only be able to wear this one and the other one in my bag, but that's okay. As long as I have at least two, that'll be fine. And yeah, I can't wear these during my trip, so that's fine. All right, off to my room. Okay, first I'm going to wipe down the room with my Clorox wipes, and then I'll give you a room tour. Here's the door, you walk in, there's this lovely desk, but this actually turns down into a Murphy bed, which we'll do later tonight because my brother's staying with me. There's the bed, some lovely little Mickeys over the bed, your big screen TV, there's a refrigerator, which I love. It comes with a coffee maker. I haven't seen any coffee yet. Maybe they don't give it to you. I'm not quite sure. We'll have to figure that out. I've got a lovely view of across the way. We are in the 90s building, and there is a pool down over there, which we may or may not utilize. If you're staying long term, there are drawers for you. I'm only staying one night, so we will not be utilizing them. Under here, there's a safe, some extra pillows. Little rack to hang up your coats or whatever. Bathroom's really nice. Plenty of space here. There's like a little mini closet thing. An ironing board, should you want to iron for Disney. Love the mirror because it's got like that built-in lighting in it. Just a regular shower. And yeah, perfect for a value hotel. Here's a better view of the above the bed. Lots of nice fluffy pillows. And this is on the Skyliner line, which is super convenient. First time I've seen this in any place that I've stayed at, and I think it's a great idea. The remote control is always the dirtiest thing in the room. And look, they put it in a bag and it says cleaned on it. I will clean it again later, because I do have a lot of Clorox wipes, but that's nice to know. I'm even Cloroxing the bag. Who remembers yo-yos? I love my butterfly yo-yo. Those are the Imperials. There you go, there's the Skyliner. That is how we're going to get to Epcot. One of the reasons why I chose, oh my gosh, this mask is so hot. One of the reasons I chose this hotel is because it's one of the hotels on the Skyliner route, and it was $60 less than the Caribbean beach. So I chose the Pop Century, and so far it's great. And now we switch. Dude, I have 6 pillows. Look at this. There's 3 over here, 3 behind my head. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Can I have 6 pillows in our bed, please? And that brings my stay to the pop culture to an end. Now we're heading to the Magic Kingdom on this Sunday. And on that note, I'm going to end this particular vlog of Disney Pop Century. It was actually a really nice place to stay. The rooms have been totally refurbed. We wanted to go swimming last night, but the pool was closed by the time we got back at around 10 o'clock. Well, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.